मेरे पे पत्थर फेंकती है कि मैंने भारत का नाम बदनाम किया. I think you need to do your homework well. Excuse me. You should correct it as a woman. This is my point of view. I think it's a very, very regressive state for women. And I stand by it.
I have a question here.
Yes.
Hi. You're a regular at the Cannes Film Festival. So, I believe you gave an interview where you said that India is regressive and depressing. So why would you like to come to this country and find true love if you anyway have not really positive feelings about this country?
I think you need to do your homework well, because I said Indian society is regressive for women. See the interview again, and
Why do you think Indian society is regressive for women?
I'll tell you exactly why. This is my point of view. With female feticide, infanticide happening on almost a daily basis, with gang rapes making the headlines of every newspaper, with honor killings. Today only I tweeted about it. Today I read in the paper, according to UNFPA, 40% of Indian women, 40% are married below the age of 18. I think it's a very, very regressive state for women. And I stand by it.
You said you are not happy with the state of affairs in this country. It's regressive and depressing.
Can we play my interview right now?
So
right now, let's play it.
No, my question is that why would you want to find true love in a country you're not happy with?
I never said I'm not happy with India.
You are anyway settled in LA. So
I'm not, excuse me, I'm not settled in LA. I was never settled in LA. I go to Los Angeles to work. I've done 2 films there and a video with Bruno Mars. I live in India. मैं हिंदुस्तानी लड़की हूँ और मैं हिंदुस्तान कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगी. मेरी जड़ें हिंदुस्तान में ही हैं और मुझे छोड़ना भी नहीं है. और जहाँ तक मेरे इंटरव्यू की बात रही, आज सारी प्रेस है, अभी YouTube में वो इंटरव्यू चलाते हैं. मैंने एक बार भी नहीं कहा कि इंडिया रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग है. आप प्लीज अपना होमवर्क कीजिए. जो औरतों की स्थिति है आज हमारे देश में, वो रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग है.
It's been a huge controversy, Malika. So, most of the people in this country believe that you said that.
I don't care what people believe.
You should actually correct it. If
you should correct it as a woman. As a woman, you have to correct it. It's your responsibility. आपने देखा आज मैंने ट्वीट किया.
My responsibility, I know what my responsibilities are. I'm supposed to report what is said and the clarifications that people made, which is why I'm asking you this, because what people believe in India is that that's what you said. So I'm
glad you're clarifying. I'm glad you're clarifying, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to clarify.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Where are you?
Hi.
Yeah.
On that, just I'll continue if you don't mind here. Just no sides here. I'm just saying that probably when you're on an international platform and you represent India and Indian women, when you go ahead and say, which might be the truth, absolutely. When you come in India and you say, it's a regressive, it's regressive for nation, for women and all, we understand, we believe it. And probably today the times have improved a little, because today I'm standing here as a journalist. Probably long time back I wouldn't have been working as a journalist if I was a woman. Probably what I'm trying to say is, in an international platform, when you go out there, for them, the only word that comes to their mind is not women, is India. And what they say is, oh, so that's how India is. They already think India does not have buildings, India still has animals, India still has crowd, India still has bastis. But we have education in India. That's my point. It's not, I understand, I'm sure, Malika, you didn't want that to be the case. You're a very intelligent woman and you speak very well. But the only point was that in an international platform, and everybody is looking at Malika Sherawat representing India, you go out there and say India is a regressive nation.
First of all, I was not representing India. आप मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा importance दे रहे हैं. मैं तो
You are important for us.
No. मैं तो वहाँ एक film के साथ भी नहीं गई थी.
You said your roots are from this country. You are from this country.
But I'm not going to lie.
You say, yeah.
I am never going to lie. ये hypocrisy जो है ना हमारे समाज में, ये hypocrisy जिसका जो करते कुछ और हैं, दिखाते कुछ और हैं. तो आप मुझे ये कह रही हैं कि औरतों के साथ अपने समाज में ये अत्याचार हो रहा है, ये रेप्स हो रहे हैं, ये ऑनर किलिंग्स हो रही हैं औरतों के साथ, और कोई मुझसे सवाल पूछता है तो मैं ना बोलूं? मैं झूठ बोलूं?
Absolutely not.
तो जब एक इंटरव्यूअर मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहा है, what do you have to say about these gang rapes, जो रोज न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स, वॉशिंगटन पोस्ट की हेडलाइन है, CNN की हेडलाइन है, तो मैं क्या बोलूं? मैं झूठ बोलूं? तो आप मुझे क्या कह रही हैं? As a woman, I should lie about the state of women that's in our country? So I didn't lie. I said the truth. और प्लीज मैं आप सबसे पूछती हूँ, मैंने क्या गलत बोला अगर सच बोला तो? I really want to know from every woman here. मैंने क्या गलत बोला? औरतों का आज ये हाल हो रहा है, अगर कोई और औरतों की तरह मैं भी चुप रह जाऊं और ये औरतों का हाल होने दूं? हरियाणा में फीमेल फीटिसाइड कितना है मालूम है? 1000 men to 700 women कोख में ही मार देते हैं. और इस देश में देवी की पूजा की जाती है और बच्चे को, फीमेल बच्चे को कोख में मार देते हैं।
Superman.
और फिर ये यही आके प्रेस मेरे पे पत्थर फेंकती है कि मैंने भारत का नाम बदनाम किया। मैंने कहा सच बोल के, कमाल है यार।
Super, ma'am. Super.
थैंक यू,
Yeah.
प्लीज।
Super. I think you're answering it absolutely from your heart and with your emotions. So you have to be a little calm because this is expected for whatever it
No,
is.
but
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
I
ba-
expect
it-
women
yes,
of this country to
but
stand by
it's
me.
known by everybody.
अगर हम औरतें ही अपने बारे में बात नहीं करेंगी तो कौन करेगा?
But what you said is absolutely correct and from the heart. I think that should be there for everybody to listen, understand.
Thank you.